Hey guys, Busta B George here with another video. Just kidding, it's Drew here with another video, and this time we will be reviewing the GoZero Light of Life Quad Kit lights, or lanterns, not sure what they want to call them. Took advantage of some Cyber Monday sales and decided to pick up a bunch of GoZero items. I picked up 3 of these kits with the intention of giving them away, but after testing them out I decided to keep one for myself. Before I show you how they work, let's do a quick unboxing. I also want to get started by saying that I am not sponsored or have any affiliation with GoZero, just a huge fan in their company and the way they use their product to help other people in need. So once you open the package, you'll find these white rubber cones that you can use to swap out the colored cones. Pretty nice that they added this in the kit. Next we have the actual lights. They are powered by USB, which is a nice feature. Glad they didn't use a proprietary connector of some kind. Here we have a GoZero Flip 20 and the Flip 30, and on the box you can see how much runtime you have using each of these power banks. Another great way to power these lights is using your current power station. For example, this GoZero 400, which is a bit pricey but extremely useful in and out of the whole camping application. Moving on is the cable. It feels heavy duty, so you won't have to worry about it being damaged easily. Love the way how they included a gear tie to secure the cable when not in use. We also have some carabiners on each light to help you hang them up to your tent or even a tree. One of my favorite features is the ability to chain another set of lights, so if you have a single or even a quad kit, you can hook these up no problem. These lights have 3 function modes: low, high, and an off position. The design is simple and clean, and each light can be turned on and off individually, which gives you a lot of flexibility. Lumen output is around 110, which doesn't seem like a lot, but it is plenty enough light to light up a 20 by 20 space nicely. Lastly, they include a mesh bag to help you store all the lights and extra cones. Even has room for some power banks, which really feels like they think of everything when building a product there at GoZero. The one and only thing I did not like about this product is that the connectors do not have water protection, so I'm a bit worried of exposing it to rain or snow. Though I find it easy to cover these up because of the long cable, I still think it's something to keep an eye out for. Would I recommend this product? 100% yes. It's a bit pricier than others like it, but the quality and function don't come close. Hope you found some value behind this video. I'll leave some links down below to the products mentioned in this video so you can check them out. And if you would like to win any of these products mentioned in this video, make sure to check out our Patreon page where we run giveaways every month. All you have to do is be a level 2 or 3 member and you are automatically entered. This month we are giving away all these products you see here, so make sure you don't miss out.